We are here in nature.
Bigfoot country.
Dan, where are we?
We're in nature.
Bigfoot country?
Bigfoot country.
Over there's the redwoods.
We didn't go that way.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, that's...
Watch out, red ants.
Oh, goodness.
We're going through the stream.
Over the river and through the woods.
The stream of despair. Frodo walks through here when he was returning the ring to... Where did he take it?
I don't know that story. Endor.
Something. Endor, yeah.
I don't know that story that well.
We are here in nature.
He took it to Lord Voldemort.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to nature.
We are now leaving nature.
We're heading out of this nature because we have no protection from mountain lions,
Oh, goodness.
which were last spotted in October of 2006. I'm sure a bunch of nature just got burned out of here when they had these fires.
Yeah.
What the hell dug that hole?
I think it just came
Are you sweating?
Huh?
Your back's sweating.
Is it?
Yeah?
Ew.
Dante?
Fat. What do you want? You didn't have a t-shirt on. You'd be sweating through, too.
We're heading out of the nature trail. We'll be back when we have adequate protection.
Adequately equipped.
So, say goodbye to the gourds.
This tree still got its fucking
The
tag.
bridge where they filmed The Evil Dead.
Oh, goodness.
Ugh.
Love hill bullshit about
I need an oxygen tank. Ugh.
Everyone's like a medic already.
Medic!
Good thing story time benches are over there. You can take a break.
How about I break you?
Can we walk that?
Yeah. This is a tree that was burnt in the fire. We're miles away from civilization. Don't mind those fake cars over there.
Pay no attention to the
Story time over there. I can't catch my breath.
Yes. May I help you? Look, your solitary red flower.
Pretty nice out here though. Crack kills, you know.
Yeah, take a picture of it. It'll last longer.
No thanks. Don't want to funk up my camera. We got Charlie and Hilo above us. This is real life Call of Duty, ladies and gentlemen.
I love how you always say ladies and gentlemen like there's a bunch of people watching you.
Hey, I'm a star. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the nature hike. Thank you for joining us. Good day.